Yeah. Look, let me take it back to 1999 when I was only 2 years old and my mom was still alive. When life was all sweet like an orange when it's ripe. When dreams were just dreams, never thought they changed my life, so I kept them in the pipeline. I remember when we'd come in the night time. I was 9 and I would give us a whooping until we started crying. It was bittersweet, but we had enjoyed chilling with our friends at least. In the streets of a hood, and the streets were clean with no thief. Even in the night we earn a sleep. Now it's a struggle trying to find peace. You get clipped real quick for your own shit. Self-conflicted cause you feeling like you ain't shit. If life is a bitch, I fuck her, then I talk a lot of shit in her face, cause you gotta be brave in this world of hate. Everybody's selling hate, buy it and become a victim of the emptiness and pain. I'm kept sane, but scribbling my life on the page. What up? Yeah, it's that mad life living, putting in work for the sake of being different. Yeah, it's that mad life living, putting in work cause we tryna make a living. Yeah, it's that mad life living, man, I wish I could take it back to when we was children. Yeah, it's survival of the fittest, nobody gives a fuck, that's why niggas moving weight to try and get buff from the buck they made. Now we're getting something for lunch. I remember once upon a time we were so young, now I'm sitting in the sun, reflecting on my life, reminiscing about the times when life was all smiles, legit smiles. Now all we get is fake smiles, cause niggas going through shit that won't say out loud. Our faces sell dreams we yearn for. I ask myself, is this the life I'm here for? Where you get mocked for being hopeful. Now that is all you think about when being thoughtful. Let me be, let me live my dream. You can also be what you wanna be. Let me surpass the skies, cause I don't believe in limits. Let me live a life that take pride in when they weeping. And I'll be smiling from the heavens if I'm forgiven for my actions. Yeah, it's that mad life living, putting in work for the sake of being different. Yeah, it's that mad life living, putting in work cause we tryna make a living. Yeah, it's that mad life living, man, I wish I could take it back to when we was children.